Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. As you know that I am Salim Khan from Kulaman Abbas School. My dear student of class 6, it is the last segment of our reading and comprehension. You know that comprehension means understanding of the lesson. And you know the name of unit number 1, that is humor, section number 2. And you can see the name, The Night the Ghost Got In. Dear student, before we start our reading, let us have a look at the difficult words in the lesson. It's mean a beam of a roof, a supporting big lodge of wood that part the roof. Cursed, expressing irritation. Distinctly, clearly, defeat, overcome or beat. Poke into, its mean to divide into branches. Suspicion, its mean likely, true. Gazed at, mean looked at something or someone. And the last word is here, glared at, mean look in a angry way. Clear? Now we are going to start our reading. Read after me. Grandfather grabbed mean hold. Caught the officer gun from its holster and shot at him. The gunshot seemed to crack the rafters. As we discussed, the rafter, a big wooden pole which part the roof. Smoke filled the attic. A cop cursed and shot his hands to his shoulders. This sentence tells us that the cop was wounded at his shoulder. Somehow we all finally got downstairs again and locked the door against the old gentleman. You know who was the old gentleman? The grandfather of the writer. He fired once or twice more in the darkness. We have already discussed once and twice. This is called the frequency of time, and we have made a practice in chapter number 1 and then went back to bed. That was grandfather, I explained to the cops, out of breath. He thinks you are deserters. The cops were reluctant. They were hesitant to leave without getting their hands on somebody beside grandfather. The night had distinctly, clearly been a defeat, a kind of beat for them. They started to poke into, make branches, disturbing things again. A reporter, a thin-faced, wispy man, it's mean a weak person, came up to me. I had put on one of the mother's blouses. It is the dress of the writer at that moment. Not being able to find anything else. It's mean the writer was looking funny because he was wearing the blouses of his mother. The reporter looked at me with suspicion and doubt and interest. Just what is the real problem, buddy? Buddy mean friend. He asked. The policeman asked the writer that what was the real problem. I decided to be frank. Frank mean free with him, to tell him everything clearly. Frank mean like this. We had ghosts, I said. He gazed at me a long time as if I were a slot machine. We have discussed this word. Slot machine is a kind of machine in which we put a coin in order to get prize money or token, in which he had dropped a nickel. Here nickel mean a coin. Then he walked away. The cops followed him. The one grandfather had shot, holding his now bended arm and cursing. He was abusing grandfather. I'm going to get my gun back from that old birds, said one of them. Student, is the reading easy or difficult for you? If you are reading after me, what do you say? I think it look easy. I told them that I would bring it to the police station the next day. What was the matter with the dead policeman? It is a question asked by mother. Mother asked after they had gone. Grandfather shot him. I said. What for? She demanded. I told her that he thought he was a deserter. Of all things, said mother, he was such a nice looking young man. These were the expression of mother about the wounded policeman. Grandfather was fresh as daisy, a kind of beautiful flowers. At breakfast next morning. It's mean the next morning grandfather was fresh, like flower. We thought at first that he had forgotten all about what had happened, but he didn't. Upon his third cup of coffee, he glared at Herman and me. He looked very angry at us. What was the idea of all those cops running around the house last night? He demanded. He had us there. He surprised her. Okay, dear student, we have finished here the reading, and now it's time for quiz. As you can see here, say whether the followings are true and write T after the sentence, are false, or write F. The writer was braver than Herman. Of course, the writer was braver than Herman. Mother was overreacting to the situation. Yes, once again we can say. The police were not very efficient in their work, in their investigation. No, the police were very efficient. It is false. The last one is grandfather shot at the policeman because he was mentally unsound. This is also a wrong sentence. So, what are the correct? A is correct, B is correct, while C and D are incorrect. They are false. Thank you, my dear student, for watching the video with so much interest. Again, I am saying I give you the option to ask if you have any kind of problem about the reading, comprehension, or question answer. Take care of yourself. Inshallah, see you next. Allah.